Hello, hello everybody. I'm so happy to see you.
Welcome, nice to see you. Welcome aboard.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So we have a VIP party, Diamond Plus for Pinnacle, and right here in Allure of the Seas, and of course we have the most beautiful people here, royal people who serving happiness. Nice to see you. Look at this. All delicious food. Salmon. Look at this. And of course, choices of the cakes. And the most important, we have here Love Cruising. All cruises loyal to Royal. Great to see you. Cheers. Yeah, they're serving happiness.
Cheers.